We back at it. Back at it. I need to change my shirt though. Hold on. All right, I'm back. So y'all, today I'm working with Ashimary. I'm not sure, but it looks like this. I worked with them before, and this is how the package comes. It just comes like in a packaging bag, and this is inside. So let me open this up real quick and show you guys what comes inside of it. All right, so you get a detangling brush, a baby hair brush, some lashes, a elastic band, wig caps, and then the wig. Y'all, I definitely changed into the right shirt. Okay, yes, baby. Okay, so we have a highlighted bob. Oh my gosh, listen, this is my third video that I'm filming today, and I'm so glad that I'm ending out on a bob, because I will wear this for the rest of the day and I won't be hot. Thank God. Oh my gosh, I just went in the right order. Honestly, I forgot all the wigs that I was reviewing today, so I didn't know what. All I knew is that I needed to film these 3 companies today, and I still got to edit them today. Okay, so anyway, this is the bob. I believe I told her to send me like 8 inches, maybe like 8 or 10 inches. Anyway, check the description box. But this is what she's looking like. Absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited. This is what the perimeter is looking like. It looks pretty good. Parting. The ends are very much blunt, as they should be. So yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup on the parting. I believe this is a 4x4. This is a 4x4 closure. And it does have let's see, it has 3 combs, and it has the adjustable straps. And yes, this should be real easy to work with. If anybody knows anything about wigs, the closures is where it's at, because you don't have to worry about the ear tabs. But I mean, if you like to wear your hair like a half up, half down or something, you'll definitely want a frontal. But if you don't care about the ears being shown, you ain't doing none of these numbers, these closures. It's gonna save you a whole bunch of time. It's gonna be easy to manage. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace. I think I'm gonna try to plug just a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then I'll come back and I'll probably just like rebump this. That's probably just it, and I'll leave it in a middle part as well. So I'll be back in just a second. So what is it giving? What is the bob giving? Listen, I like her. I like her a lot. I really need some earrings, y'all. Ooh, I struggled all day today with no earrings. The lace looks really good. Only have my natural little baby hair out. That is it. It looks so good. It's giving melt. It's giving melt. I love the little highlighted bob. She is cute. She is very cute. She has a lot of body. Again, I believe that this is a 8-inch bob. You can get it longer. Maybe I got 10 inches. I'm not sure. I don't think so though. I think I got 8 inches. Make sure you guys check out the description box though, so you can get all the details, discount codes, direct links, all that good stuff. But off the dribble, she is good. She is good. The highlights look very nice. I love these highlights. The straight hair does not give a tangle at all. I feel like it's the minimalist like maintenance. I feel like throughout the day, if you're like just, you know, walking around town running errands or whatever, like it's not gonna act up on you at all. You're not gonna have to do no mirror check and be like, oh my god, I've been walking around with fucking hair looking like that or something. No, it's not gonna happen. Your hair is gonna stay in place and behave. So that is also great. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful number. This is a beautiful number and I recommend her. Again, you can get it a little longer if you do want it to like sit on your shoulders. I didn't want mine to sit on the shoulders. Like I wanted it to be like breathable. But if you want it longer, you can get it longer. But I think she is cute. Very cute. Let me go ahead and thank Ashimary Hair for sending me this beautiful highlighted bob. Make sure you guys check out my Instagram because I'm going to be posting videos, reels, all that good stuff wearing this wig. So if you want to see how it looks on the gram, make sure you follow my Instagram right here. But yes, she cute. She is approved. Approved. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.